Aloha! Thanks for tuning in. This is Adele Brienne. So, this is week 2 in our series on love, which stands for leadership, opportunities, vulnerability, and excitement. So, last week I talked to you a little bit about stepping into leadership in your business and just some of the ways that you might start stepping into leadership and some of the things that I do to show up in my business and also to show up for myself outside of business so that I'm a balanced, happy person and can then serve my clients. So, this week, diving right into opportunities. So, throughout your life, you're going to encounter opportunities. We're constantly being faced with, an opportunity to make a decision yes or no, left or right, choose this, invest in that, all those different things. So, here in my world, I am going to present to you different opportunities to get some help, to find resources, to find other people to network with, to find other people who might help serve your business. So, this week I want to talk to you about Facebook. I know that Facebook is not a place where everybody hangs out, and that's totally cool. You can just stop watching right now if you're like, I hate Facebook, I'm never going to go there. It's all good. But for those of you who do use Facebook and you're already spending a little bit of time there just for your personal reasons, updating your family and friends with various pictures, sharing your life, there is an opportunity for you to connect with me further on Facebook. And it's a free opportunity where you can join my group. It's dedicated to business owners. And inside the group, it's like a private container where I can share all sorts of resources and videos and tips and tutorials. And you can ask me very specific questions about your website or about your marketing or about your search engine optimization or about all those things together: email marketing with social media, with website, and search engine optimization. So if you're already cruising on Facebook, I really think you should join me in this group. And make sure you turn on your notifications so that you're always getting notified when I'm giving you new juicy content. So you can get my checklist inside there. You can just get that for free right away when you pop in. And again, introduce yourself. You can promote your own business once a week to the wall. I just have free access to the wall. If you're not familiar with Facebook groups, it's from the little tab for groups. And they're just like private little networking bubbles where we can share and support each other. So I'm creating this special space where people who own websites or who want a website or who need to make their website better with a makeover, we can all converge there and talk story and share and get resources and ideally really kind of look at each other's websites and give feedback so that you're not out there alone. If you are doing it yourself, you have this free community of other business people who will give you feedback for free at their leisure because we're all just on Facebook spending a little bit of extra time together in my group. So that's it. That's all I got for you. Join me in my Facebook group. The link will be below.